So yeah, hi everyone. So talagang sinulat ko talaga sa laptop ko ngayon yung sasabihin ko para wala akong ma-miss. I'm very aware and I know that there's a lot of false accusations in both sides sa hiwalayan namin ni Joshua. And he even made you think that I cheated on him. Una talagang inantay ko muna talaga yung family ko na makarating dito sa Thailand, makapag-travel dito sa Thailand. Ako na makapag-travel din sa ibang bansa before making the statement. Kasi sila ang mas nagmamatter sa akin. Ang family ko, ang presence ng family ko, yung pangarap ko sa parents ko, yun yung mas nagmamatter sa akin, not the unsolicited opinions of the one-sided people. And pangalawa, alam ko, aware ako na ang daming nagtatanong sa inyo kung anong dahilan ng breakup namin. I chose na hindi na muna talaga magsalita because I don't want to talk while I'm still in the middle of the situation, while I'm still in pain. I don't want my words to be driven by anger and impulsive thoughts. Hindi ako ganun ka-immature. So I think before I post anything, I want to be calm first before posting anything, as genuine as it should be, as